Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a planner to a team or a channel. So the team is this, the one with the logo or the likes of the logo, and the channels are the ones below it. Now, for example, if I create a planner here, it would be challenging for me to move it to any other place. So I will show you how I'm going to create it in this area, in that channel. So for example, now there are two ways I can add a planner to a channel. I can either create a tab over here to have that planner sitting over there, or I can go to the website and create it. In order to do the website bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the three dots. I'm going to select these three dots and go to planner. This will open up the app for me, and then I would go to the website. Now, to create a new plan, I will select the new plan, and because it's private or public within the organization or just privately with the team members you invite, I would write training on planner. Then you have an option of add to an existing Office 365 group. You do have an Office 365 group. Those are your teams. So I will go back to the team that I have created, and this is within this. Or do I wish to create a new group? So now this is within this, you can create a group from here for that team. Alternatively, when you create team, it will go into the general area. So it would go into this area. In this area it would be. Otherwise, you can create it from here. Now, because I don't want to, I will create the plan here so that you can see what exactly happens. So they're creating my plan. So, and then that's it. What you can do is just set sign work play. So these are my tasks. Of course, I've got buckets. So I've got a to do, I've got in progress or completed as my buckets. But it depends upon if you've got different types of projects and different stages of the project. I would recommend you to rename these. You can easily rename them as well, so it's not that challenging. Now, in order to, this is a task. Now, the task can have checklists. So when we say set, check licensing, model, identify licensing, etc. I have added that information. I would say some information here as well, start and end date. And I will see what the priority is. I would also mention if it is in progress or not assigned, and you would assign the members. So for example, this is assigned to SRAR. I can also add attachments, so it could be a SharePoint link or file. So let's say I'm putting in a link for quality management. And I'm saving that. So it would be shown on card, or do you want to show this on card? So I would rather have this on card. And that's it. Once you close it, it's there. See, you can see it on the card. The good thing about this is that when you have something that has been assigned, you can have a look. It is assigned to a SRAR, so one was assigned, the other three were not. So that's the 3 not started and 1 not started. So that will provide you also with a calendar on when that task is due and when you can reset this and reassign it as you like. Now, looking back in Teams, and I'll put in a planner here. So it's an existing plan, training on planner. You remember you've seen that on use an existing plan from this team. So I'm going to use that in this part and I will save it. What would happen is that it would be connected to my general post. And as you can see, it's here. Same information, same details, everything is the same. Oh, sorry about that. So, see? And you can see the other to-do that have not been assigned. That's about it. Just let me know if you've got any other questions. Thank you.